Numbers. Can they reveal your purpose? Can they give you insights about your personality? What secrets do they have about you and the universe? Let's discover the truth behind numerology. Numerology is the belief that numbers and letters have divine insight into an individual's life. Birth dates, names, and words can be deciphered to reveal a meaningful number and your life's vibrations. These vibrations apply to you and how you interact with the world. Numerology has been practiced in some form throughout ancient cultures. The Babylonians practiced Chaldean numerology, ancient India used Vedic numerology, and the Hebrews practiced Kabbalah, and the Greeks used Pythagorean numerology. This is the style that I will discuss in this video. Each practice focuses on different number values and arrive at a solution through different equations. But fundamentally, these are the same, trying to define one's purpose through numbers. In Pythagorean numerology, numbers 1 through 9 have special significance. Their meaning differs a little bit from source to source, but the number attributes are: 1 is positive, 2 is balance, 3 is creativity, 4 is organization, 5 is freedom, 6 is responsibility, 7 is knowledge, 8 is leadership, and 9 is compassion. There are 3 additional numbers called power numbers: 11, very spiritual; 22, ambitious and visionary; and 33, wise and guiding. Why stop at 33? Why not attribute 44, 55, and so on? You're thinking about this too critically. How do you determine your numbers? By taking your birth date and using isopsephy. Isopsephy is the process of taking a multi-digit number and adding the individual digits together until they arrive at a single digit. For example, if your birth date was 11/15/1994, so the equation will look something like this. Then you would add the 3 and the 1 to get a result of 4. Then consult the chart for the number values. Look at you, being a well-organized and hard-working 4. Remember power numbers? If you get an 11, 22, or 33 at this part of the equation, then you get to apply these special attributes. Or you continue the equation and the final sum is the attribute amplified. I found conflicting information on which method you're supposed to be using, but personally, I'm going to use the one that benefits me the most. I'm a 33, and I'm going to stick with the special attribute definition. And I'm not going to take no criticism from you single digits. There's more that you can do with numerology than just adding up your birth date. You can reveal meanings behind your name and words with an alphanumeric system called a gematria. The gematria looks like this. Find the letters and the corresponding numeral value and add those up. If you do not like your attributes from your birth date, you can get yourself some different numbers this way. Some of the common equations you can do are finding your life path number, which is the birth date equation, expression number, which uses the gematria with your full name, personality number by using the consonants of your name. The soul urge number is found by using the vowels in your name. There's this stuff about cycles, and those are determined by isolating your birthday numbers, by splitting them into month, day, and year, finding the single digit in each section and adding them into different combinations for short, mid, and long-term attribute focus for yourself. This is all clearly ridiculous. We can't be reduced to a numerical value and a special meaning just because of our names and our birth dates. Unless you're Kevin. And this is a problem with all of this. Every number value is associated with positive attributes and ambitions that underplays the way people really behave. I'll do a demonstration. Let us find the attributes of someone that is inarguably an awful person. How about Jeffrey Dahmer? Jeffrey Dahmer's life path number is 6. That Jeffrey Dahmer, a very community-oriented and responsible citizen. Or his power number is 33. That great teacher. His expression number is 2, known for his balanced behavior, connections, and relationships. So that's numerology, an ancient method used to find arbitrary meanings behind letters and numbers. This system doesn't reveal the truth behind your name, your birth date, or the meanings of any other text.